Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Raajeev Bhalla, music composer producer, and today we are looking at the song Duniya from the film Luka Chuppi. और हमने इसका बड़ा chill pop jazz sort of a version create किया, which you just heard. And come, let's dive into a session and let's look at it. So guys, in this arrangement, solo के अलावा पीछे सिर्फ एक ही riff बज रहा है. And let's look at that. And we're in the key of G minor. We start with C minor 7th, D minor, and back to G minor. That's it. यही cycle पूरे arrangement में loop हो रही है. Let's check it out. So guys, what we're playing is just C minor 7th chord with the D and C and D minor, G minor. Let's check again. It's C minor 7th, D, C, and then D minor, G minor 7th. That's it. So अब इस track को हम without lead part के सुनते हैं. Let's hear it. And guys, you know, ये इस तरीके का arrangement create करने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है इस टाइप का म्यूज़िक सुनना. You know, it's very important कि आप jazz, blues, lounge music उसको बहुत गहराई से आप सुनें ताकि आप इस तरीके के riffs and bass lines को आप cover कर सकें. You know, it's not that difficult as it sounds. आपको सिर्फ उसका जायका पता होना चाहिए कि हम कैसे क्या प्ले करके उसको हम वैसा साउंड कर सकते हैं. ट्रैक को फिल करने की ज़रूरत बिल्कुल नहीं होती. मैं हमेशा अपने हर वीडियो में बोलता हूँ, you know, it is not necessary to fill the track with synths and other instruments, you know, to make your track sound good. बिल्कुल ज़रूरी नहीं होता. Just one guitar part and right amount of solo, you know, it's all done, sorted. So I hope कि आपको ये वीडियो देखकर मज़ा आया होगा. And don't forget to subscribe. And I will definitely leave the backing track link, free download link in the description below. Have fun, keep playing, and let's learn together and grow together. Bye.